You need to know this about the EVERKITCH Range Hood. The last part will blow your mind. Good news, we have a special deal in the description. When it comes to enhancing your kitchen's functionality and aesthetics, a reliable range hood is indispensable. The EVERKITCH Range Hood has been making waves on Amazon, drawing attention from homeowners and cooking enthusiasts alike. In this comprehensive review, we'll dissect the pros and cons based on the aggregate of Amazon reviews to help you make an informed decision. Pros: powerful performance. The EVERKITCH Range Hood boasts a robust extraction system, efficiently eliminating smoke, odors, and grease, ensuring a fresh kitchen environment. Sleek design. Its modern, sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, complementing various decor styles. Effortless controls. Intuitive and user-friendly controls make adjusting fan speed and lighting a breeze, enhancing your overall cooking experience. Energy efficiency. Equipped with energy-efficient LED lights, it illuminates your cooking space while saving on energy consumption. Easy installation. Many users praised its straightforward installation process, minimizing the hassle of setting up a new kitchen appliance. Cons: noise level. Some users noted a moderate noise level, especially at higher fan speeds, which might be a concern for those seeking quieter operation. Filter replacement. While the filters effectively trap grease, they require regular replacement, incurring additional maintenance costs over time. Size limitations. The size might not fit all kitchen layouts, so measuring your space accurately is crucial before making a purchase. In conclusion, the EVERKITCH Range Hood stands out for its powerful performance and elegant design. While it may have minor drawbacks, its overall functionality and style make it a worthy addition to any kitchen. Now, here's the exciting part: you can get yours now with a special deal in the description. Get yours now, special deal in the description.